Hello, today we are representing the project pitch of SIT217 on our project Hypron Haste by team Pro Code. We have represented our name Hypron Haste, which is a unique name, and the Hypron was the Greek god of heavenly light, which could represent the speed and the agility which we have compared to our RC car or the prototype of the fastest robot. Haste also implies the speed and urgency. So let me introduce you to our team members Hardik Bajaj, Maulik Mahajan and Gurkirat Singh. So in today's world, first before presenting the pitch, we need to identify the problem, what problem we are targeting. So our prototype or our project is based on the problem that we faced by the large giants. So we have seen that in this world there are many problems related to slow delivery of the products in today's world. In today's industrial sector, many big giants require many fastest and trusted mode of transportation of their goods. Till now, we have not seen any fastest robot as this is not only the problem in many sectors. Some of them are army, hospital, search and rescue, mining and agriculture. Like as we know, army people also serve on the battlefields, and on the battlefields many terrorists use the landmines. This could kills are the our beloved soldiers. So to prevent the mishappening of this, we are creating a prototype robot which could move even faster to dodge the attack of the landmine. So after viewing the problem, we present you to the solution. Our prototype is basically a small prototype which is in the form of a car, which would be having the speed more than 20 km/h, which in which we have used the lightweight design of the car, which would be really helping. We will also be focusing on the design of our prototype. We will also be using the LiDAR sensor to detect the objects. We will also be using the algorithms to control our prototypes. So our project idea is to build a robot racing car with high motors. The car will be designed to complete the variety of racing events both on and off road. This prototype is basically a prototype to represent our own the future scenario. So the car will be powered by the high performance motors that will give the incredible speed and the acceleration. It will also be equipped with the range of safety features including collision detection and avoidance system to ensure that it can race safely and without any incident. The purpose. We have targeted the educational purpose. Firstly, building a robot RC car can be excellent way to learn about robotics and programming by setting the specific goal of achieving a high speed motor of above to achieve the speed above than 20 km/h. So the project idea can serve a challenge yet by rewarding learning and experience. Competition. There are many robotics competitors in that will be involving in building RC cars, and the speed is often a key factor determining the winner. By winning a car that can reach a high speed more than 20 km/h, our bro code can enter such competition and potentially win prizes and recognition. Research and development. A robotic RC car with a high speed 20 km/h can have a practical applications in research and development, such as in the field of the autonomous driving. By building a prototype, bro code could potentially attract the investors and industry patrons who are interested in developing a technology further, as these have the largest score in the upcoming future. Personal satisfaction. Personal building a robotic RC car can be a fun, rewarding in a hobby. By setting a specific goal and achieving a high speed like 20 km/h, bro code can challenge themselves and potentially achieve a sense of a personal satisfaction and accomplishment. Features. A highly featured car would be using high performance mode, speed more than 20 km/h, the lightweight design, and the aerodynamics used, high speed electronics, stabilization, and control, which is very necessary for a car rather than crashing. The components we are using is the basic but most durable. Some of them are Arduino R3, brushless motors, gyroscope, LiDAR sensor, ESC, chassis, battery. Application of the RC car. Our RC car can also be used for the hobby and creation. It can also be used in the education sector, military and law enforcement, which is the most important sector of our targeting. Agriculture sector. The fast RC car can also travel on the fields which have such a rough road, and we can also use it in mining. Film and entertainment like shooting. By achieving the more speed, it can easily shoot fastest action scenes. Search and rescue. It can easily reach the areas that even can't a person can't reach with the high speed performance. Future scenario. Our prototype is totally based on the future, as the problem we have targeted like the delivery pods we can use in the future. We will be highly efficient and will be doing the delivery more efficiently in future. We also be targeting the anti-theft protection, as now currently we would be targeting on the speed, but if we see on the future we can also add it to the anti-theft protection, so that companies can easily send their goods from one place to another without being any loaded burden. We can also edit the added GPS can also be added in the future scenario. In upcoming future, this will be the major change in the transportation industry.